Now let's see the result of 1 week campaign educational consultancy. So I will show you how to make a report also. So bear with me and I will show you how to make report for clients. So yeah, and this is Facebook ads. So first let me show you I'm the admin of the page, and this is client's page, as you can see. Oh, let me switch. And yeah, here you can see I have full access. And now let me go back to my profile. Let's go to the ad manager. So just a couple of days ago, my Facebook ad account, personal ad account, got restricted, as you can see here. But other ad account was safe. So yeah, now from now on I cannot create new campaigns ad. So yeah, you can see this. Yeah. So this happens 2 days ago. So but yeah, the campaign is successfully finished, as you can see. It's off. And let me show you the date. And this is ad set. And here is the hour ended September 26th. So yeah, so this is our result of 1 week, 63, and this is our reach and impression cost per reel. So as you can see, so this is based on US time. Yeah, now let me show you the presentation. So I have prepared for that, and let me show you. Yeah, here you can see this is the report that I have prepared for clients. So this is for weekly reporting. So you can see in the left hand side, client's logo, page name, and campaign report, and the date. Weekly report prepared by Ali Hussein Dunia, admin, and this is my logo. Now let me go to the next slide, and this is our agenda, and this is overall campaign information, and you can see the campaign structure, duration, name, business category, target location, and this is KPI, key performance indicator. This is what determines success of campaign. So I have successfully generated 63 messenger leads and 638 clicks all, and 0.16 cost per result. And this is our reach, impression, and we have our frequency. Frequency means how many times each account saw your ad or interacted with your ad. So and S10 amount spent within 1 week. So yeah, make sure you include this KPI in your reporting. So basically there are two types of reporting. One, you send to the clients, basically just summarize the whole reports in a summary in a very good effective way, and don't include a lot of metrics. Just include what is necessary. And there is second report which you have to present to your internal teams. For that it's a different discussions, but most of the time you have to send weekly or monthly report to the clients. So yeah, this is in PowerPoint, Google Slides. So you can make a report on Excel, and there is automatic also reporting, and Google Studio, a lot of other things. So this is KPI. And the second, we have charts in tabular form. So this chart and tabular form you can get from Facebook reporting section. And yeah, this is demographics, and this is platform, and yeah, and this is our ad creatives, and this is the tabular form. And the creative performance I was not able to get creative performance. I don't know why. uh, it's because of short period of campaign, I think. That's why I didn't get creative performance in reporting section of Facebook. So yeah, so I will show you within a minute how to get creative performance. So yeah, and this is the key learning. And yeah, we have collected a lot of phone numbers, and the client can use these phone numbers to send next opportunity on their WhatsApp or through SMS. And at first, when I published this ad, it was rejected because the text that I wrote in primary section, it contains a lot of emojis and icons. So it goes against the Facebook advertising policy. So I just removed that, and again, and the ad was approved. So yeah, this is, and let me show you how to go to creative ad performance. So just click all tools if you are in your ad manager and just scroll down, and here you can see creative reporting. So this is ads reporting and this is creative reporting. If you click here, sorry for this, you will see the ads creative section, but I don't know why I'm not getting this you can see if you click add creative, so I'm not getting ad creatives metrics. So but you can read on Google a lot. So this is how you present reporting. And yeah, let me show you again. So yeah, this is it. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep doing your best.